Ever wondered what happens to a banana plant after it gives you that last sweet bunch of fruit? Most folks just cut it down and leave it to rot. But hold up, there's a secret snack hiding underground, just waiting for someone curious enough to dig it up. See, after the bananas are gone, the real magic is in the thick, hidden stem, the banana corm. It's not pretty. It's rough, dirty, and knobby, buried beneath the soil. Here's how I do it. First, I dig around the base of the dead stalk, prying up the corms. They're heavy, almost like big muddy potatoes. But the smell, earthy, almost sweet, tells you there's something good inside. Next stop, a cool stream. I wash off all that grime, scrubbing the roots until they're almost white. Then, with a cleaver, I shave away the tough skin, revealing a pale, starchy core. Using a big knife, I chop it into little cubes, drop them into a bowl of clean water, and then the fun begins. You take those cubes and grind them, old school style, with a stone mill. It's messy, it's slow. But as you turn the handle, the corm releases a cloudy, milky juice that drips down into a clay pot. It looks like muddy water at first. Definitely not snack-worthy yet. I strain the liquid through cheesecloth, then set it aside for a few days. The water separates and what's left behind looks like soft, stretchable latex, a banana root starch. Mix that paste with clean water and stir it in a pot over gentle heat. In no time, you get this smooth, jelly-like dough. Once it's cooled, I slice it into thin strips, sprinkle on some chili, sprinkle on some salt, and boom, a cool, chewy snack that's perfect for hot days. It's wild, right? From dirty roots to a dish you'd never expect. So, would you ever turn banana plant scraps into a summer treat, or does the idea sound too out there? Drop your answer in the comments below. Maybe I'll try your twist on this recipe next.